Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to demystify exactly how everyday retail traders like you and me actually access the massive, incredibly fast-moving world of global currency trading. It is a fascinating system, and by the end of this, you're going to understand exactly how the plumbing of the global financial market works for the individual investor. Let's dive in. So, think about the core problem of currency trading for a second. You can't just walk up to a teller at a major international bank and ask to casually trade the euro and the US dollar in real time. It just doesn't work that way. Currency trading happens on this massive, complex global network of institutions. So the obvious question is, how do you, as an individual, actually get your foot in the door?
Well, that is exactly where the forex broker comes in. Think of a forex broker as your essential toll bridge. Basically, they are a financial service provider that acts as the direct intermediary between you, the individual trader on one side of the bridge, and that massive international currency market on the exact opposite side.
All right, moving to section 1, what exactly is a forex broker?
Literally, without a broker, retail traders cannot participate directly in that giant global network of banks. You are completely 100% locked out. The broker is the entity that actually has the direct line to those massive international liquidity providers, and they're the ones making it possible for individuals to sit at home and buy or sell currencies online.
To bring all that abstract, high-level financial plumbing down to earth, brokers hook you up with a whole suite of tools. They provide the online trading software, stuff like MT4 or MT5, which gives you real-time price charts and deep market analysis. They offer competitive spreads to keep your transaction costs low, they provide customer support, and, super importantly, they offer practice demo accounts. Basically, they take this wildly complex global network and turn it into an app right on your desktop or phone. Let's shift gears to section 2, key factors for choosing your broker.
Look, with hundreds of brokers floating around online, you really have to evaluate them carefully across a few core criteria. We're talking regulation, trading platforms, spreads and fees, deposits, and customer support. A trustworthy broker absolutely needs to score highly across all of these to make sure your transactions are secure and the pricing is completely transparent. Let's actually break down the two most critical ones. First up, and honestly this is a big one, is regulation. I want you to think of regulation as your personal shield in the market. It ensures the broker is actually following strict financial rules, which protects you from unreliable or flat-out fraudulent services. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the absolute baseline for trust before you even think about opening an account or depositing a single dime. Now, on the flip side, we have spreads and fees. If regulation is your shield, then competitive trade costs act as your sword. Lower spreads and fees literally just mean you keep more of your own profits. Every single transaction in the forex market comes with a cost, right? So optimizing for lower fees is what maximizes your profitable trading opportunities over the long run.
Okay, let's get into the specifics in section 3, top brokers in 2026. When you reverse engineer what makes the top-rated brokers so great, you notice they actually cater to very different types of traders. Capital.com, XTB, and Black Bull markets are all highly rated. We're talking between 4.7 and 4.8 out of 5, but their key features target entirely different trading styles. Let's look a little closer at each of these guys. Take Capital.com, for example. They are ideal for traders who want this incredibly intuitive, almost Netflix-style interface that actually learns your trading habits as you go. It's a real tech-first powerhouse offering over 5,000 CFDs, which, if you don't know, are contracts letting you speculate on price movements, all alongside personalized behavioral feedback. And of course, they maintain strict Tier 1 regulation from authorities like the FCA and ASIC, so your money stays safe. If you want a really smart interface with 0% commission, this one's a major contender. Then there's XTB, which is this absolute European giant. Check out this number, 4.50. That is the massive annual percentage yield they offer on uninvested British pound cash. Pair that with 0% commission on real stocks and a staggering 11,200 tradable instruments, and you can see why XTB is a powerhouse. You're literally earning interest while you just sit in cash waiting for the right market setup, making it perfect for both active day traders and passive long-term investors. Our third major player is Black Bull markets. Now, if you want pure, unadulterated speed, this is your broker. Headquartered in Auckland, they offer institutional-grade liquidity through top-tier data centers and boast ultra-low latency. We're talking average execution speeds of just 20 milliseconds. That is literally faster than you can blink.
With over 26,000 assets, it's pretty much the ultimate choice for scalpers and algorithmic traders who need that lightning-fast execution.
Of course, they aren't the only players in town. The market is packed with really solid modern alternatives. Other leading brokers you might want to look into include XNES, 8cap, FX Pro, AvaTrade, and Active Trades. These are all widely recognized for giving you excellent, secure trading environments and powerful platforms to really help build your confidence in such a fast-moving market.
Which brings us nicely to our final part, Section 4, Start with a demo account.
I want to show you exactly how easy it is to take action right now, today. Step 1, just choose a reputable broker that supports platforms like MT5. Could be XNES, IG, Pepperstone, or Black Bull. Step 2, head to their site and hit register for a free demo. Step 3, download the trading app for your computer or phone. And finally, Step 4, log in with those demo credentials and set up your currency symbols. You can get access to professional trading tools in literally a matter of minutes. Now, why do we bother doing this? Because testing a demo account is a total game changer. It helps you understand how the broker operates and lets you build bulletproof strategies before you ever risk a cent of real funds. Taking this kind of test drive is, quite simply, the smartest possible way to learn market fundamentals in a completely risk-free environment using the exact same live market charts that the professionals use every single day. So we've unpacked the what, the why, and the who of foreign exchange brokers. I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on. Which bridge will you take to the global market? The tools are out there, the platforms are waiting, and the choice is entirely up to you. I challenge you to take that first confident step, set up a demo account, and start exploring this incredible world of forex trading. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep learning.